As you know that we are going through very tough times due to COVID-19. This lockdown has changed our way of working. I appeal to each and every one to be at home, be safe and be healthy. Now how it is different working from home and working from office? As our system is working as expected, I have been encouraged to work remotely. We are also being given necessary accessories to work safely from workspace. I don't feel that I'm working from home because I come in daily contact with my colleagues, my seniors. We are attending trainings and seminars on alternate basis. I have also learned one thing, to be humble, be polite while talking to my customers, because I do not know in which state, in which mind state he is due to this environment.
I hope everybody is home safe and healthy. It's a privilege for me to be a part of Network Tech Lab family. In this epic of pandemic COVID-19, all our colleagues from various divisions like sales, support, purchase, admin, HR, logistics, services, marketing and rest have been giving their best to achieve the ongoing organizational growth, leading to the contribution in the economy. Connectivity with the client was a challenge, whereby the use of e-platforms has supported a great level and many hours have been invested for trainings for the self-development, making it more effective during conversation with customers. Our engineers have supported the clients at their sites, ensuring to adhere the safety norms. I would like to thank the management for the support and patience they have shown and providing various platforms for the self and organizational development. In addition, would like to thank all my colleagues and superiors for the support they have provided us in this scenario.
As we are all aware, the global pandemic situation has impacted the entire world, which has caused major downfall in our economy. But at the same time, it has given us an opportunity to adopt new technology. Also, being a technology partner, we have to be available 24/7 for our customers. In my entire lifespan, I have never seen Amchi Mumbai locked down for so many days. I am thankful to my management, my colleagues, and everyone in Network Tech Lab team for supporting each other. I am really lucky to be part of Network Tech Lab team, who have always treated us like a family, not leaving us alone in this pandemic situation.
The experience in COVID-19 was very difficult because of some many challenges we were facing, but we have a very strong engineering team, our backend support team and the logistic team. Our engineer was able to provide to supports to like COVID hospitals, also labs. We were able to support. We have given many equipment, safety equipment like jackets, face shield, mask to our engineer. Special service van was arranged by our management to support our customers, data center customers we were supporting in COVID-19. Our staff is also very motivated because of all the support given by the management.
It was a challenging task to plot the method for efficient logistics. First month had a lot of confusion. Things got clear gradually. The government has announced the exclusion for the essential services. Arranging the manpower was a challenging at that time. So first we decided to make our stores and office as a safe environment. We sanitized all our offices, ordered the personal protective equipment, asked all our delivery boys and drivers to come to office, briefed them regarding how to handle this situation. After that means we also trained them for the no contact delivery to the customer in this lockdown situation. First few orders we got from the pathological lab and other services which falls under the category of the essential services. Fortunately, we had our own fleet of vehicles which proved to be a great help in this tough lockdown situation. Initially, logistic operation being carried out at the snail's pace, but gradually it came back to our normal speed. Now we are ready for the next phase and we are ready to give the better service to our customers.
Here at Network, we know show must go on. All our doctors and paramedical staff are working 24/7 for the well-being of mankind, and we also want to contribute them. We are providing our engineering support for various critical machines, equipment installations, which are used for the testing and analysis. We are providing various remote monitoring and management solutions to all our customers to keep their business on and running. Because here at Network, we know we exist because of our customers.
The scenario has changed. There are a lot of safety concerns in order to avoid spread of virus. Our enemy is invisible and we have to be aware all the time. We provide wide range of product for our employees to work from home scenario. We give remote support to our clients who work from their home and from their remote location. We try to provide them IT peripherals and laptops delivered at their home to work efficiently in this scenario. We have also started arranging engineers in non-containment zones. All this is done with utmost care and hygiene precautions. All our engineers are equipped with gloves, masks and sanitizers, and they follow all the safety norms while providing safety to clients. All this we can do with equal support from client and from our staff. We also provide fever detection thermal surveillance solution and COVID-19 prevention solutions such as masks, sanitizer, gloves, which help our customer to function efficiently in their office and also safeguard their company. Our office numbers are operational. Feel free to call for any query and support.
Corona pandemic virus situation has teaches a lot of different way of life, and this was a very unpredictable situation which we are going, and definitely such kind of a situation we have to take as a challenge. We as a Network Tech Lab team, we have taken this challenge and we have prepared ourselves to provide 24/7 support to our all value-added customers.
I would like to thank especially to all our on-field people who ran the show even in lockdown and delivered all commitments of the salesperson to the customers. I personally thank each and every member of the Network Tech Lab family who is working from last 3 months with 100% dedication from home, and special thanks to all women who are working and managing family. Every individual focused to develop some technical skills and learned new things through more than 100 hours of training via web sessions. I am assured that God bless us and will give us a strength to bounce back and recover the loss of these 3 months once we will be back to normal routine. Please take precautions as guided by experts once the Unlock 2.0 implement.
On this event of pandemic crisis, which has put our nations into a virtual standstill, I would like to thank my backend team, especially my finance team, my logistic team, my stock team and our service team who have been assisting our organizations in maintaining the business continuity of our customers. Our engineers, with all the necessary precautions, have been visiting customer sites and attending their breakdown calls. Also, they have been giving assistance remotely from off-site locations. We have been contributing our part and have been serving to our nations to run its economy.
Ensuring the safety and well-being of the employees in the workspace is very essential. People are looking to their employer, community, government leaders for guidance. Addressing their concerns in an open and transparent manner will go a long way to engaging them and reassuring the business continuity. More than ever, we are committed to delivering our support and services. Our team are operating at full capacity from home. Whenever it's deemed on-site support, with well precautionary safety measures, the team members are on field to deliver the services. Especially during the uncertain time, We are sincerely grateful for our customers who are supporting us and boosting our team morale, which is resulting in a positive vibe within the team and the organization, and standing for the customer and by the customer. We mobilized our support services. The service desk agents are fully functional from their home, responding on hotlines and emails, addressing customer queries with ease. IT service management tools have ability to engineer, which is really benefiting to provide updates and addressing customer queries efficiently, keeping the customer satisfaction in mind, focusing towards customer excellency. Escalation management is in place, and customers are made aware that Network Tech Lab is operating with full strength. Ultimately, we are adding values to work, and we are not keeping any queries unanswered, and trying the best to keep this consistent, keeping customer satisfaction in mind. Once the COVID-19 outbreak is in control, we will be reviewing and renewing business continuity plans. If there are any deficiencies, we'll identify root causes, whether it's timeliness of action, lack of infrastructure, resources shortages, or external environmental issues. We will consider putting new internal guidelines in place based on lessons learned, as well as solid contingency plans to build resilience and better respond to future crises, keeping operations continuity with no impact. Network Tech Lab operates with complete transparency and open communication, have integral advantages when events require quick action to react and reshape.
We at Network Tech Lab India Private Limited are continuously coordinating with each and every team member to support our valuable customers and provide them services that are essential like hospitals, data center, telecom, retailers, and many more. Our on-field engineers and backend team are working hard to provide them services in every possible way. We all are soon overcome these situations and bounce back with speed, energy and passion. I would like to conclude one positive note that गुजर ये भी पल जाएगा, दिन ये भी ढल जाएगा, निकल के कोई हल आएगा, फिर से नया कल आएगा, बुरा वक्त निकल जाएगा, सब कुछ संभल जाएगा, सब कुछ संभल जाएगा.
आज 3 महिन्यापासून आपण सगळे घरात बंदिस्त आहोत लॉकडाऊनमुळे आणि काय करावं काही नाही सुचत नाही. आम्ही ऑफिसच्या आठवणीने फारच व्याकुळ झालेलो आहोत आणि त्याच 3 महिन्याच्या लॉकडाऊनमध्ये नवीन काय करता येईल या विचाराने मी माझा एक नवीन छंद जोपासला आहे, तो म्हणजे कविता करणे. आणि एक आपल्या ऑफिसवरती मी कविता तयार केली आणि आता ती सादर करतोय. माझे ऑफिस. मार्चपासून सुरू झाला लॉकडाऊन खूपच मिस करतो ऑफिसला घरी राहून. माझे ऑफिस म्हणजे आहे मोठे कार्यालय. माझे ऑफिस म्हणजे आहे मोठे कार्यालय. ऑफिस नाही नुसते ऑफिस तर आहे आमचे ते देवालय. ऑफिसला गेल्यावर वळतो आमचा चहाच्या टपरीवर मोर्चा. ऑफिसला गेल्यावर वळतो आमचा चहाच्या टपरीवर मोर्चा. तिकडे चहा पिताना होते अनेक विषयांवर चर्चा. आहे आमचे ऑफिस छान खूप आहेत विभाग. आहे आमचे ऑफिस छान खूप आहेत विभाग. प्रत्येकाचे स्वागत आहे नका समजू स्वतःला अभाग. आमचे ऑफिस म्हणजे आहे एक मोठा परिवार. आमचे ऑफिस म्हणजे आहे एक मोठा परिवार. आमच्या कुटुंबात साजरे होतात सगळे सणवार. या मंदिराच्या उभारणीसाठी प्रत्येकजण बनले संघटक. या मंदिराच्या उभारणीसाठी प्रत्येकजण बनले संघटक. परिवारातले तसेच परिवार सोडलेले अजूनही आहेत परिवाराचे घटक. इतकी वर्ष काम करून बांधला अनुभव गाठीशी. इतकी वर्ष काम करून बांधला अनुभव गाठीशी. या परिस्थितीत आमचे देव आहेत आमच्या पाठीशी. सहकार्यांनो नका सोडू धीर नका हो निराश. सहकार्यांनो नका सोडू धीर नका हो निराश. कोरोनाची साखळी तोडून आपण करू त्याचा विनाश. ही वेळही जाईल आणि येतील परत पूर्वीचे दिवस. ही वेळही जाईल आणि येतील परत पूर्वीचे दिवस. करू अपार मेहनत रात्रंदिवस. आपल्या ऑफिसची कीर्ती पसरावी जसा तळपतो दिनेश, आपल्या ऑफिसची कीर्ती पसरावी जसा तळपतो दिनेश, आपल्या पाठीशी खंबीरपणे आहेत ब्रह्मा, विष्णू आणि महेश. थँक्यू.